with what considerations in view of a photodiode fabricated? Explain its working with the help of a suitable diagram. With the help of VI characteristics, state how photodiode is used to detect optical signals. Okay. A photodiode is fabricated with a transparent window to allow light to fall on the diode, like this, transparent windows, and the generation of each pairs takes place in or near the depletion region of the diode. Okay. So this is the circuit, a transparent window, a P side and N side circuits, a battery is connected. Okay. And we will see the working principle of this one now. And here the light will fall on the diode. How it works we will see now. Okay. When photodiode is illuminated with the light of suitable frequency, okay, with suitable frequency it falls on the photodiode, the electron hole pairs are generated near depletion region due to its specific fabrication. Okay. The fabrication is created like P side and N side junctions like that. Then the junction potential separates electrons and holes before their recombinations. Okay. And E releases, that means electrons, E releases to N side. That means the maximum energy we can see the N side, N type junction, and holes reaches to P side. Okay, and that means the holes, the maximum holes we can see on the P side junction, okay, of the electric field, and hence current flow across the photodiode when connected it with load. Then we can easily identify that the where the electrons are maximum, that is the N side, and the number of holes are maximum, that is P side junction. Okay. And with the reverse bias is applied across the photodiode. The reverse bias is applied. So here it is in the reverse direction. The photodiode means it is in the reverse direction. The photo current changes with the change in the intensity of light. Hence, it can be used to detect the optical signal. So in this way, we can use it to find we can detect the optical signals.